Today I'm going to introduce Arcstone's overall equipment effectiveness module. This module lets you customize how your facility OEE is calculated and also how to capture the data. What you're seeing first is our way to manually capture the data, where I can select specific machines that are in use and the current state that they are in. I can also specify specific reasons why a machine might not be available. So this will later let me drill down into my OEE and find out specific reasons why my OEE might be affected and where I can optimize the efficiency. I can also manually enter any data regarding a specific machine. This list here provides a comprehensive view of machines that are in use, and I can drill down into any one of these machines to add specific data against it. For example, here I have a record of all the machine activity that has taken place, and I can manually add conditions as to what my optimal OEE should reflect, and production data that reflects how much this machine is actually produced and what the quality of that production has been recorded as. Now let's see how you can automatically populate some of this OEE data coming from your machinery. What you're seeing here is Arcstone's arc.Flow toolset, which uses industry standard protocols to easily connect to some of your machinery on your production floor. I can dive into any one of these protocols to define specific parameters, for example, how I want to collect the data, which data I want to actually record, and where to record this information as well. If you're using older machinery, we can also read data from CSV or text files using arc.Flow. So this gives a comprehensive ability to capture data from a variety of different equipment. Next, you're seeing Arc.Flow. Arc.Flow is an extremely flexible integration and calculation toolset. Once we have captured the data in arc.Flow, we can use this to perform any specific calculations that you want to do on the data. As you can see, this is a drag and drop interface, so no programming is required. I can simply drag specific blocks into Arc.Flow to perform my calculations and trigger specific actions. We have pre-built quite a number of actions here already that you can select and just simply drag and drop into your canvas to execute. Next, let's look at how we can visualize the OEE information captured. This is Arcstone's dedicated Dashboard Designer toolset, which lets you use a drag and drop interface to configure visualizations in order to represent the OEE information collected. This way you can easily adjust information later down the track or make additional dashboards to drill down further into your OEE data collected. The Dashboard Designer lets you connect to a variety of different databases, or also lets you connect simultaneously to different databases at the same time. In this way, you can easily compare data from different data sources within your visualizations. The Dashboard Designer comes equipped with a flexible expression editor that you can see here. This is what can be used to customize OEE calculations to your specific needs and add in specific conditions that you want to take into account when determining your equipment effectiveness. Dashboards created can be loaded onto any web interface or mobile phone browser. The Dashboard Designer is completely flexible and lets you access your dashboards from anywhere. As long as you have a web browser, the dashboard is at your fingertips. We hope this gives you some insight into the capabilities of Arcstone's OEE module. Please contact us for more information.